Welcome to the best picks. The best dark chocolate pretzels is probably one of the most satisfying snacks ever created. The perfect balance of sweet and salty, with a satisfying crunch, and a rich, decadent chocolate coating. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to this delightful treat, I'm here to guide you through the best options, helping you navigate the world of dark chocolate covered pretzels. Number 5. ASHER'S Dark Chocolate Covered Pretzels, 6.5 ounces. Indulge in the perfect blend of deep, dark chocolate and lightly salted pretzels. This irresistible treat is sure to be a hit with everyone. It's great as an everyday snack or a special holiday gift. These sweet and salty treats come in an ASHER'S branded 6.5 ounces coffee bag. The dark chocolate covered pretzels are ready to enjoy right out of the box, with an old-fashioned aesthetic. If you love the rich taste of dark chocolate and the crispy pleasure of pretzels, you'll find both in this treat. It's a delightful combination of flavors and textures that will satisfy your cravings. ASHER'S treats customers and employees like family, making chocolates with love. They hope you enjoy the product and come back for more. ASHER'S Chocolates has been making delicious chocolates and candies since 1892, using only the finest ingredients. If there are any issues with your order, please contact them. What we like. This product has a rich history, crafted with love since 1892. It features gourmet dark chocolate, perfect for those who appreciate quality. If you are looking for a treat that combines tradition and taste, you should consider this. What people say. These taste great, the pretzel is substantial and they came almost perfect, but with shipping, that is to be expected. Amazing awesome covered pretzels. My favorite dark chocolate covered pretzels. Number 4. Dark chocolate covered mini pretzels, 2 pounds bag. This is a classic combination of salted pretzels and rich dark chocolate. It's an irresistible snack that everyone will love. The product comes in a bulk pack of 2 pounds. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family or enjoying all by yourself. Serve these at gatherings, holidays, or special occasions. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser that everyone will enjoy. Package them in decorative jars or bags for thoughtful gifts. They are perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as thank you treats. Use them to decorate cakes, cupcakes, or ice cream. It adds a sweet and crunchy finishing touch to any dessert. What we like. This product offers a generous 2-pound bag, perfect for sharing or gifting. The classic combination of salty pretzels and rich dark chocolate creates an irresistible snack. If you are planning a party or need a thoughtful gift, you should consider this. What people say. Perfectly salty, crunchy, then the tart sweetness of the dark chocolate. Absolutely delicious. I highly recommend them for the quality and taste. Number 3. Dark chocolate covered pretzels, 10-ounce pack. Indulge in the perfect blend of flavors. These pretzels are coated in rich, velvety dark chocolate. It's a treat you won't want to miss. The dark chocolate complements the salty pretzel perfectly. The combination creates a flavor that is simply irresistible. It's a match made in heaven. Add them to your snack table or dessert buffet. They also make a great garnish for cakes and ice cream. It's a versatile snack for any event. Pair it with popcorn and your favorite drink. It is the ultimate sweet and savory movie snack. You'll love the combination. Get your hands on this delicious 10-ounce pack. These pretzels are perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. Try it today. What we like. This product provides a perfect balance of flavors with its velvety dark chocolate. The deep, bittersweet notes complement the salty crispness of the pretzel. If you like a snack that is both decadent and crunchy, you should consider this. What people say. Some chocolate-covered pretzels are too sweet. These were perfect. Don't hesitate buy. Great, I am going to reorder. Number 2. Dark chocolate covered pretzels 40-ounce bag. Indulge in the perfect blend of sweet and salty with these dark chocolate covered pretzels. This treat features crunchy salted pretzels coated in a smooth, mildly sweet dark chocolate. This bag contains a generous 40 ounces of these delicious pretzels. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family or enjoying all by yourself. Each bite offers a delightful contrast of rich, velvety cocoa, and satisfying savory crunch. The combination creates a truly irresistible snack. Whether it's a gathering, a holiday gift, or a personal treat, these pretzels are ideal. Serve them with coffee or enjoy them straight from the bag. These pretzels are the perfect way to treat yourself. They provide a moment of pure indulgence any time of the day. What we like. This product comes in a large 40-ounce bag, ideal for sharing. The mildly sweet chocolate coating perfectly complements the salty pretzels. If you are hosting a gathering or want a treat to enjoy throughout the day, you should consider this. What people say. They come in a thick but soft plastic resealable bag. The chocolate is quality, the salt granules are coarse enough to taste and give that extra crunch. They are very fresh and did not have any of that powdery coating you see on some in bulk orders. Number 1. Snack Factory Dark Chocolate Covered Pretzel Crisps. Introducing the perfect snack to satisfy your cravings. These pretzel crisps offer a delightful blend of salty pretzels and rich dark chocolate. It's a match made in snack heaven. Enjoy the perfect combination of crunch and chocolate indulgence. They are great on their own, or paired with your favorite dessert. It's a treat you won't want to miss. Try them frozen for a refreshing twist, or use them to create ice cream sandwiches. This snack is incredibly versatile and always delicious. It's a fun and easy way to enjoy a sweet treat. Made with premium quality 45% dark chocolate, these pretzel crisps are a cut above the rest. The rich chocolate perfectly complements the salty pretzel. You'll taste the quality in every bite. The large 18-ounce bag is perfect for sharing at parties or enjoying with friends and family. There's plenty to go around, so grab a bag and share the deliciousness. It's the perfect snack for any occasion. What we like. This product features pretzel crisps covered in premium dark chocolate. The large 18-ounce bag is perfect for parties. If you like a unique texture and a satisfying crunch, you should consider this. What people say. These are addicting. Sweet, salty, and pepperminty. Perfect munchie for parties or movie night. They came packaged well. And fresh. Update: my friend who usually eats normal make from supermarket says these are so good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.